Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the audio from your videos on CapCut PC and replace it. So you can either just mute it here and then add in a new audio, or you can even right click, select extract audio to go the extra length and delete that. And then to add in like another audio, maybe you want to add it from another video. I'm just going to select this video, maybe extract audio, and then delete the video, and then select the audio and add it and replace it like so. You can even create compound clip to really bind the audio and the video together, but can't play it with the audio just cause. That's it really. It is super simple. You can either again mute it or extract the audio and delete it. For instance, you want the old audio back, you do have to undo compound clip, I think. Here, maybe undo compound clip, and then maybe right click and recover audio to get your audio back. I think it's there. Yeah, it is there, and that's how you can recover it if you want the old audio back. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!